SOS fix. This is a quick video about how to change the glass, the back camera glass for the iPhone 8 Plus. To change the whole it's not worth to change the whole frame just for the back camera. And if you order the back camera glass, they may send you this part here. But to remove this one, you are gonna need to remove the whole is like soldered with the frame. It's not easy to remove the whole thing and change that one. So this is how I do it. This is easy for you to. So when you receive this one, it's just gonna be.
Discover is now offering FICO credit scores to everyone for free, even if you're not a customer. And checking your score won't hurt your credit. We call it the Discover Credit Scorecard. And once you know your score, you should check to see if your current credit is the best for you. Check your credit,
Just remove the glass. And of course, you already removed the cracked glass from the lens. Cracked glass in the back. So you may clear a little bit the dirt and the old glue. All right, and it's over there. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to watch more videos, and see you next time.